Our journey took us to the neighborhood that spawned a city which is dazzlingly alive, and a heritage hotel that embodies its history. It all began in Plaza San Francisco. A sanctuary in the mountains, merged with clouds and whispers from the past. The stories that hide in plain sight, and their main characters who bid us welcome. We found meaning in each detail, each gesture. The unveiling of a delectable secret, one that we share with each other and with the people we meet along the way. Some flavors conjured up memories, others, an entire history. We sought out the treasures behind the facade, the silent places, the sacred places. Looked for the stories behind each experience. Centuries-old memories waiting to be seen, to be heard, to be savored, exclusively. The sights that make us feel small, but mighty. It all began in Plaza San Francisco. It all continues from Casa Gangotena.